Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Nathan Does Vids here, and today in this video I'm going to be reviewing my new drone I got, and it's called the Vento protocol. So let's get started with the video. So before I open the box and everything, I have two shoutouts to give. It's Dan Haroonian and little Cody. All you have to do to get a shoutout is like this video, subscribe to me, hit the notification button, and then comment done when you finish, and then I'll make sure you're subscribed and everything and you like the video. And also leave down in the comments what your favorite food is, then because I'm going to read all those comments and then you'll get a shout out. All you have to do is ask for it too. So say you did all of them, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and comment your favorite food and comment done when you finish, and then you'll get a shout out from me. And now let's open the box. So this is the box that it comes in. It's a pretty big box. There's the drone inside. It has Wi-Fi capability, live streaming video, aerial photos, auto launch and hover and land, 3 selectable speeds, controller included, VR capable. And then it's a protocol, air. So yeah, now I'm going to show you. So it folds down to 4.75 inches, which is great for traveling. So now I'm going to open the box, show you what it comes with. And just to let you guys know, this is not sponsored by Vento or Protocol, whatever the brand is. I just wanted to do this to show you guys. So once you open the box, you see the drone. So we can put that to the side for now. And then what you're going to do is take off this box. It normally comes with these plastic things, but I already opened it. So just put that over here. Then it comes with your instruction manual, how to put on the blades and set up the Wi-Fi and everything. And then it comes, at least mine came with, you're a winner, here's your golden ticket, 50% off all spare parts. I ain't going to need it because I'm a pretty bad flyer, but you can put it on different modes to have easy level. So right up here is the battery that you put into the drone, like this. Like that. Then you got your charge cable. It does not come with a block, so you can get your own block, plug it in, and then plug it into the wall, or you can just plug it into your computer. Then see this? That goes to the battery. So let's pop this out. It just slides out normally. Just like that. You're going to have to use some, so what you're going to have to do is take this side and just put it right there, like that. So you want the side where the metal is lower first, and there you go, then it can charge. So next we got some extra spare parts. It comes with 4 blades. The other blade I have somewhere. And it comes with this tool. This tool helps you pop off the blades if you want to change them. And also, if you want to put on new blades, make sure this one is A, this one is B. They have them labeled. This one is A, and this one is B. So A, B, A, B. So A, B, A, B. So then we got our controller. And the controller basically has 2 joysticks. The on button does not come with batteries, so you have to get your own batteries. Comes with the compass mode and take off and landing. Then you pop these up, and yeah, these are just some extra like sensors. There's the back. So what you're gonna have to do to put your phone on, there's a little indent right there that you go pull up like that, and it has a little thing. You can go like that, and there. Then you put, this is my case, but you put your phone right there. And then to turn it on, you just go like that. But I'll show you that all later. And then the back, you just slide this off and you put your batteries on it. So now I'm going to show you how to turn this on. Yeah. Alright, so now you're going to want to turn on the drone. You're going to want to, first you're going to want to charge this. It says about 2 to 3 hours, but I charged it, yeah, it's about 2 to 3 hours for a full charge. So you just pop it in right there. Make sure all these are good. And then you're going to hold this, see that little power button? You're going to hold this down for 3 seconds until you see the lights flash like that. So now the drone is on. And now to turn on the remote, you're gonna hit that switch, and then to turn on the propellers of the drone, let's move this out of the way just so I can show you how it turns on. You're gonna want to hold down like that, and then it sets the drone up. So now I'm gonna show you how the app works, and then we're gonna go outside and actually fly this. So just turn it off like that, and then it's gonna blink. So hold it down for another 3 seconds. 2 and 3. And then it should turn off. There's the camera right there. So let's hop outside and I'll show you how the app works. So this is the app right here. It has a start menu, instructions, and view photos and video. So let's go to instructions. And then this will show you just all your instructions on how to fly the drone. If you want to pause the video, you can. But there you go. And here you go. So now let's go to the start option. And it's going to pop up with this. So until you turn the drone on, it's not going to show up with anything. So basically the steps are, there's the VR mode, if you want to put your VR in it. Here's the flight path, so if you do that, the drone will go that. You can turn it and everything. And yeah, and then you would hit that, and they would bring you back to the home button. So now let's get the drone set up with the app. Okay, so to connect your drone, you are going to want to go to your settings. So let me just find my settings here. Go to your settings. Make sure your drone is on, so hold it down for 3 seconds. Go to your Wi-Fi, and you want to connect with the Vento. And there you go. Wi-Fi may not be available, so hit dismiss, it's okay. And then now you're going to want to go back into the Vento app, and now it's going to connect with your drone, and I'll show you that. So hit start, and see how it's showing. There we go. There's me. Yeah, and there's the camera. Right, where is it? Okay, it's hard to find this. There we go. Filming that. So now you're good to connect the controller, and now we can do our flight. Okay, so now you're going to want to just pull down on the triggers, so facing you. Make sure your drone is on. Yeah, my drone is on. And yeah, make sure your controller's on. Hold down and hit the takeoff button on your controller, and now you are good to go. Then you can hit there's that. It goes this way. Now, if you want to do hit this button, and you can hit that, and it will go backwards. You can go high, low. See where I am? This could be like a racing drone. Then you would hit the button, and it will land it for you. So that is basically it. My drone is at 44%, so I'm going to need to, do this again later. So just hit the takeoff button, and you're good. And hit this button, and it will land it on the closest ground. And you're good to go. Then you would just to turn off the video streaming, you would just hit the... Okay guys, I hope that answered any of your questions, and this was just a review on it, so this wasn't, you know, professional flying the drone. I was just showing you how to fly the drone. So basically when you want to turn on the drone, turn on the controller and have the controller control the drone, obviously. You just want to hit that button, and then you would hit this until, yeah, when the drone is on, you want to go like that. Okay, if it wasn't clear to you, you want to go like down, like so, down towards you, both of them. And also it has this compass mode. Then on the back here it has trim and H/L, so high and low, I believe. And these are the antennas. So yeah, if you have any more questions, just answer in the comments. Also the shoutouts, do that. Thank you for the 1,400 some subscribers. Comment what you want me to review next, what videos you like, and I read all the comments. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Ka-chow.